All right, what's up, guys? Dr. Steve here, Conquer Movement Physical Therapy. We just went over earlier this month some mobility deficits that we're seeing in a lot of our rotational athletes. Okay, we define rotational athletes as anyone who really has to generate power or force production through rotating, and that mainly comes from our hips. So we think of you boxers, MMA fighters, we got golfers, tennis players, anyone that kind of falls in those categories. So if you've checked your mobility from the prior video, you found some deficits and you've cleaned all that up, now we got to take it to the next level. So we can't leave you hanging just there. We really need to control that motion. So when we're talking about things we can do to improve our control, we want to really focus on three main areas that we've seen in the athletes that we work with. One is going to be our glutes. When we think of the glute, and we think about rotation, it's not so much that we need glute drive for these sports. What we need is eccentric control, or we need to slow down the body as we power through that rotation. We need good eccentric or controlled lengthening of that muscle. The other one that we really need to work on is anti-rotation. We need to be able to control how much rotation am I getting from that mid back, and can I stabilize that rotation so that I'm not just slamming into my joints at the end range as I fire out that straight right, as I come through on my backswing or finish off my forehand there. And then the third stage, going into our shin or our tibial rotation, is really strengthening our foot as well as our glute and getting those two guys talking and connecting through the movement so that our foot is working to stabilize the distal end or the bottom end, and our glute is working to stabilize the top end, which is going to give our shin here as it attaches to the knee the best chance of staying healthy throughout that force generation. So check out these three exercises and give them a try. See where you're lacking, see where you feel the most effort, and perform them before you're getting ready to hit the court or get into the boxing ring or whatever sport you're going into.